Hello everyone, I am Sikandar Aburaki from Tut24. In our last episode, we created a reactive form which was like this, and uh, we only created the form but we did not incorporate any validation. So today I'm going to uh, create some validation. So let us start. Uh, For validation, I need to add one class here, validators, and here I need to create array, and here validators dot required, and into the form uh, right, and here here right, ng if ng if form errors dot name, then uh, class is equal to bootstrap class alert warning, and here we can write interpolation and form errors dot name, and I need to create the form error here. Mm, validator, and if I give more validation, validators, for example, min length and max length. So we are going to fix this thing, and here we'll have to write this dot employee form dot value changes uh, uh, subscribe uh, data this on value changed on method data and we'll have to call this method this dot on value changed and we'll have to write the code for on value change. Copy it here on value change uh, data of type any and let us make it optional and if if this employee form not this employee form uh, not this employee form then return else constant form equal to this dot employee form then we'll check for const failed in this dot form errors and let's create it here at present we can write only for name. If we need more, we can write down here. And at the same time we can write validation message is equal to an object, and we can write validation for the same field name, and again another object, and we can give some validation rules here. Required, for required we can write name is required, and for min length uh, for min length we can write min length name must be at least 3 characters long, and for max length you can write name can't be more than 15 characters long. So this is the validation for name. So if we need the validation for street or other field, we can write it beneath this. Okay, now we can continue here. Form errors, and uh, here is a method. We are looping, so we can write these form errors, this dot form errors uh, fields if I failed is equal to initializing this form errors. Okay, then declaring another constant control is equal to form get field, form get field. Well, now we'll have to check if uh, control, this is the validation logics that we uh, put in last time when we created the template driven form into our template, but we are writing this code into the component class file. So this is also again the difference between the template driven form and the reactive forms. So we can write control and control dirty and not control valid. Control not valid. Okay. So for three things, control, control dirty, and control valid. So in this case, we want to give the message. So we'll have to create it. Const message. Const messages is equal to this validation message. Validation message that we created earlier. This validation message messages and field. And again we'll have to loop for const key in control errors if there are some errors. So this employee form, this form errors failed where field is equal to messages and key. And some space. So far so good. This is the what I have written here. Form error. Okay. Form error name validation message. Okay. And this is the thing subscription which is value. Okay. One more thing we need to do to here have to write .ng valid required and .ng valid required. For the left 5 pixel solid to a 948 and ng invalid and not perform. Change the color. A 9442. Well, so far so good. Uh, oh, I made a mistake here. Not form control, form errors. Okay, now we can try. Yes. Okay, it is working. But one more thing I need to do. Min length, max length. Okay, I did not give the limit. So 3 and max length. Okay, okay, it is working. If my input is less than 3, so it will give some error, and as it is required, so it is also giving some message. Name is required, so I can write Sikandar Abu Rakib Karami. Okay, so as it exceeds 15 characters, so it is not letting me to do that. So this is the validation. So we can use excuse me, in our form. Sorry. So this is the validation we used into our form, and I did. Let me explain a bit. I created some form errors object here and validation object here, and I checked and control here, and I set up 3 validation rules here. One is for name field required minimum length, maximum length, and we can give other validation also, and also the customized validation rules. And if we want to set another validation for another field, we can set it here. So this is the things that we can do uh, through the reactive form in Angular 2. So I think it is informative for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and see you next.